and our previous models, the pine tree, the dragon head, and the bear. Today we're gonna add one more to this edge, and that will be a talking dog. Not exactly a dog which can talk, but yeah, it moves its mouth. So first step, fold our square. And unfold this time. Now fold it from top to bottom again. You can do this bottom to top if you find it difficult, which is what I usually do, but here I'm doing top to bottom. So this is how it should look with the center crease in the middle. Hardly seen because I'm using black paper. Yeah, now it's better. So now, fold it down to create what looks like a dog, both sides. Remember the bear of the previous video? This is more like that. Okay. After you're done, mount and fold it to make sure you're doing it correctly. Yet again. Which reveals that mine is a bit wrong, so please mount and fold it and then check if you want it to be perfectly symmetrical. Now you see two layers, fold one of these layers up and now fold it back again and up. So without the eyes it looks like this. With the eyes, and a nose like this. So now these are the 4 models that we learned today. The pine tree also makes for a nice spinning top. The dragon head, an awesome figure. The silly bear, not a bad effect. And finally, the dog. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.